Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. So the other day I made this spicy chicken noodle and a lot of people liked it. Like they saw that it looked good and they wanted the recipe. I had it with ginger tea and so I decided to remake it again. I mean, this one was just like me eating and recording, but I had to do a proper recipe and I hope you enjoy the recipe. It's quite simple to be honest. So all you need for this recipe is the noodle. You'd also need garlic, ginger, and different kind of pepper. I'm using garlic and ginger powder. I'm using black pepper, and I'm using, is it cayenne now or paprika? Yeah. So, and that's grilled chicken. You need some grilled chicken and stew. This stew is very important. Even if it's the last part of your stew, you need it for that bright red color. So yeah, basically that's it. And then I've boiled hot water. Hot water really helps cooking to be fast. So it's important for me to always have hot water, and I will encourage you to always have hot water when you're cooking too, because it makes it faster. So what you just do is you pour in your stew in the water, the quantity you want, depending on how many noodles you have. But I mean, I'm just making 4 noodles, so 2 spoons are okay. And then you just mix it properly to ensure that it melts and just goes into the water. And then the next thing you're going to do is to pour in your powdered ingredients. Of course, you want it spicy, so you can be very generous with your spice, but then be cautious because you don't want to ruin it at the same time. And then I'm putting just a few, like 2 or 3 of the noodle spices, because the stew is already really tasty. Even though when it mixes with the water it goes really low, but it's tasty. And I don't like the noodle tasting too much, the noodle seasoning rather tasting too much in the food. So that's just how I'm going to do it. You just turn in your noodle seasoning and then turn in some more water. I'm adding more water because the water was getting dry for the quantity of noodle I need. If you don't want to eat your noodle too soft, you don't need to add too much water. Just put it and allow it to cook first. But from experience, I already know that the water here will not be enough. That's why I added. And then I'm going to allow the spices, the noodle spices, to cook before pouring in the pepper, the noodle itself. Rather, sorry. I'm putting the noodle now. I advise you allow your ingredients to cook very well before putting the noodle, because the noodles don't take time to cook. So once you just put it in, you just mix it and ensure that it goes deep into the pot and everything is properly blended. As you can see, everything has blended, and all I need to do is just allow it to simmer. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to put in the chicken. Actually, you should be also very generous with the chicken. I kept 2 chicken for this remake of the recipe, but my husband ate one. And I mean, I just needed to make this recipe, so I just shredded the one that was remaining, and I'm going to use it like that. So if I was going to eat it, this is how I'm going to eat it, because I like it just cooked, not too soft. But he likes it soft and moist, so I'm allowing it to stay longer. And then because of that, I'm putting my chicken at this time because it's already cooked. Do you get? So if it was going to be stronger than this, you can put it earlier. But yeah, this is it. The chicken has gone in, and all you just need to do is mix it and let it infuse the flavor of the roasting/grilling, and then simmer a bit. And at this point, our noodle is ready in 1 or 2 minutes after the chicken goes in and warms up, because remember, the chicken is already cooked, it's just grilled. So yeah, the noodle is ready, and this is just a simple recipe. Remember that everything you need in the food, all the onion, the bell pepper, and everything is already in the stew. So you're just doing a fast one, and that is it. Nothing too fancy, right? So you can decide to garnish it with probably some spring onions, some chive, anything you have, or even vegetables like green vegetables. But I mean, we just had our own like this, and I'm happy about it. This is just how we wanted it, but you can play around with yours. So guys, this is how the recipe goes, and if you like it and you're going to recreate it, let me know. Also, let me know if you like your noodle just cooked and not moist, or very cooked, soft and moist. Let me know how you like your noodle in the comment section. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you would enjoy recreating and eating yours. Do have a great time and enjoy yourself. God bless you so much for staying up till this time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a great time. Bye.